Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a panel gaze. I'm using this discarded piece of beech wood, which is not ideal for such purpose. The piece is covered with dust and is infested with termites. But I feel I can still get the required stock needed for a panel gaze. I roughly plane the surface to see the direction of the grain. Once I identify the grain direction, I draw a line near the edge following the grain. Then I rip the piece to remove the live edge. I plane the edge to remove the saw marks. Although I need stock around 1 inch by 1 inch, I was worried about one corner is being damaged by termites, so I decided to rip at 2 inches. After ripping, I plane one of the flat surface. I also had to ensure that there is no twist using the winding sticks. Since I didn't have a straight edge to check, so I draw a pencil line on my workbench and reverse the stock to see if the lines are parallel. I remove the high spots wherever necessary. Next, I plane one edge 90 degree to the previously straightened edge. I use the same technique to see if the new edge is straight. Then I adjust my marking gauge at 1 1/8 inch and mark it all around, referencing from the face. I plane the surface till I reach the line. Once I had two parallel surfaces, I mark a 1 1/8 inch referencing from the straightened edge. Since I had to remove a lot of material, I used a saw this time. After sawing, I plane the rough surface to the marking gauge line. Next piece that I needed is a stalk around 9 to 10 inches long and 3 inches wide. I decided to cut at 12 inch because I might lose some of it while squaring to the other edges. Then I plane one surface flat. There is a belly in the middle. So I remove some material from the middle until it looked flat. I plane one adjacent edge square to the face. Again I marked 1 and 1/8 inch referencing from the face and planed the other face parallel. Finally, I ripped the rough edge at 3 inches from reference edge. Now that my stocks are ready, we are ready to make the panel gaze. We will meet you again in the next episode. Thank you.